Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Unacademy. So today we will just have a overlook on public administration optional paper 1 question 2020. So we will go in detail analysis in next all YouTube class. That means I will take single question in a single class. Every question. Today we will just overall discussion. Overall discuss all this question pattern, where this question come. Okay. So as expected, we nearly all question we have discussed in YouTube class and special class. So most of this question are discussed. So have a look. This is section A. You have to compulsory write question number 1 and 5 from section B and 1 from section A, and any 3 long question, at least 1 from each section. So minimum 1 long question you have to write from any section, either section A or section B. So question number A, you have 4 short question, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can write any 3. After that, among question number 2, 3 and 4, maximum you can write 2, minimum you write 1. This is minimum you have to write 1 from this section, and maximum 2 you can write. So next, section B, question number 5, you get 4 short question, and out of the 4 you have to write 3. And this year OPSC give a challenge to you, that OPSC is giving long question as short question and short question as long question. OPSC want to know the analytical ability of student, not rote memory. Most of the question are conceptual, and these are 3 long question. Again here maximum you can write 2 and minimum you have to write 1. So you need to write 3 long into 60, 180 mark, 6 short into 20, 120 mark, you have total 300 mark. Okay, so we'll discuss every question in this class. That this is section A question. This question is what is the demand and from which unit it come. We will discuss that. Before that, some information to you. Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. These are many plus features, and in plus features you have complete syllabus, unlimited practice set, unlimited PDF and regular doubt clearing session. And these are special class feature, interactive session. You have poll, you have lecture note. There are many batch courses. This is fundamental course ASO Secretariat start in 19 January. This is Aadhaar Foundation course NCERT 21 January. This is Udyam Foundation course 26 January. And this is the price plan: 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month and 24 month. And this is Republic Day special, 6 month free. If you take 1 year or 2 year subscription, you will get means 1.6 year, and in 2 year 2.6 year. So it is a great offer for you, don't miss it. So altogether 18 month subscription, and here 30 month. Just imagine 30 month subscription for 11,500, 11,520, you get a 30 month subscription, and 7,920, 18 month. This is the best offer you can get. So take subscription as soon as possible. 25, 26, 27, the 3-day offer. Next, I take public administration optional, and every question come from our class. No question is beyond our class, that I can claim now. And use this code D-Smile Live, you will get a 10% discount. So this is the book I have written. Yes, all questions from this book also. This book is according to OPSC syllabus, complete syllabus coverage, unit wise previous year OPSC question, 20 long and 40 short question given, important report of second ARC, and it also useful for UPSC civil service. This should be our approach to study public administration. Remember syllabus, read some unit of paper 1, paper 2 together, analyze previous year question, make structural note. And paper 1 is interpreted in paper 2. For example, that neutrality anonymity question that asks, it may ask in major issue in Indian administration. So paper 2 exam, that is on 31 January. Yes, again it will be proved that everything we have discussed in class. So paper 1 related with paper 2. So we discuss in a interrelated manner, paper 1 with paper 2. So it will be easy for you to comprehend things. So this is important. The next batch start on 1st February. So join it. Cover public administration before your prelim. So after prelim, you need to revise only. So you will have a advantage than other people who will start studying public administration after prelim. Clear? So first 1st February, the class time is 8 to 9:30 PM, Monday to Friday. We discuss both paper 1, paper 2, all previous year main question 2011 to 2020, and based on the previous year question, OPSC will again ask question in previous year, how you write answer and how you add current information and second ARC for value addition. So remember this date, 1 February. Don't miss. If you have public administration optional, try to complete it before prelim. So after prelim only revision, and you will score 420 plus minimum in public administration. So let's get back to our question. So this is the first question. There is hardly any difference between public and private administration today, given your view. So here you have to take cue from Unit 1 and Unit 2. So in Unit 1, we have discussed public and private administration, similarity, difference and contemporary approach. So you have to write hardly any difference. That means similarity. Similarity between public administration and private administration. Okay, there is similarity between public and private administration, and that we discuss in Unit 2, classical theories fail, universal principle, Gallic, neutral principle. Universal principle, neutral principle, that is applicable in both public and private organization. And the idea of motivation, be it monetary or non-monetary, it is also applicable for both public and private administration. Idea of decision making is applicable for both public and private administration. Yes, this is one aspect of this answer. Second, you write post 1991 new economic policy, or LPG. What happened? The concept of blurring. Blurring means the difference between public and private administration gradually vanish. The difference between public and private administration. And you can write, giving some example, post LPG 1991, the concept of privatization, the concept of nationalization. This happened, and Haas and Hall's model. I have given you a diagram, if you remember. Public funding, private funding, public ownership, private ownership. So these second and third, public funding, private funding, public ownership, and these three, private funding, public ownership, these two are hybrid organization. So if there is complete difference between public and private administration, we cannot have those hybrid type of organization. So this you have to write. Got it? So this is the first question. Taking theorist into account, taking the concept of new economic policy into account, you have to write this. Post 1991, the gap has reduced. You can give example. Recently, Air India is privatized. Okay. Yes. Listen, new public administration, redefine public administration. This is actually a 60 marker I have given. I have recommended everyone to study this based on 60 mark, but it asks at 20 mark. No problem. You have to write everything in a shortly. So as I said, this diagram, new right philosophy, new public administration, new public management, and in new public administration we have Minobrook 1, Minobrook 2, Minobrook 3, 1968, 1988 and 2008. After that you start just shortly that on which ground in USA Waldo loss 33. Okay, Waldo for 33 scholar, just shortly, because we have to write both Minobrook 2 and Minobrook 3 in half page. That is a challenge. You write Minobrook 1 in 1 page, Minobrook 2, Minobrook 3 in both combinedly 1 page, and write about all theorists. So Waldo, Golombowski, Negro, every theorist you can write that they have given their idea. Waldo is main, and just shortly without explaining write everything. Whatever you can write without explaining, because the evaluator want more information in a concise manner. So it is a challenge. I agree that writing new public administration in 2 pages, in 200 words, is a challenge, but you have to, without explanation, write all point. So next question, unity of command make administration effective. Yes. So here you need to write about what is unity of command, definition. After that, Fayol, Gulick, they promote unity of command. Taylor reject unity of command by giving his concept of functional foremanship. With his functional foremanship, he have rejected the concept of unity of command. Yes, here you write advantage, disadvantage, advantage of unity of command, disadvantage of unity of command, and what in modern day organization, board, commission type organization has violated the concept of unity of command. And yes, as the organization are growing, diversification happen, unity of command is not possible. You write everything. Okay. So Taylor, Fayol, Gulick, they will come, and board commission type, advantage, disadvantage, everything. And modern, you give a touch of modern, means present day organization. What do you feel? Are they following unity of command or not? You have to mention that. Yes, this is, so this question is from unit 2. Unit 2. This question is unit 1. This question is unit 1. So 2 questions from unit 1, 1 question of unit 2. Yes, this question is again from unit 2. Bureaucracy is central to development administration, plus unit 7. Bureaucracy is central to development administration. Here you need to write the definition of development administration and role of bureaucracy. What makes Weber's idea? Weber's idea on bureaucracy. How Weber say bureaucracy is central to development administration, but what problem happen? Risks. Premlata Bansal, Deepak Nair. So these people, how bureaucracy is a bureaucracy is central to development administration. What are the limitations? What risks said about bureaucracy in developing country? The concept of salacracy, risks idea, and Premlata Bansal said in India the IAS concern to development is minimum. That you have to write, and how to make bureaucracy central to development. Limitation, solution. Yes, relationship between headquarter and field in administration, this should be a 20 mark. It asks as a 60 mark. So my my advice is to avoid this type of question where you cannot write confidently 600 word. So this should be avoided. This question should be avoided, because headquarter and field, Galik's idea of headquarter field, we'll discuss this. What is headquarter, what is field, role of headquarter, role of field. Galik's idea, all finger, long arm, short finger, short arm, long finger. These are 3 type of relationship between headquarter and field given by Galik. Still, it is difficult to write 6 page, so avoid it. This question is from unit 3. Yes, this question is from unit 4, administrative behavior, and I have every day in class I have told that yes, one question from, I have say Taylor, Simon, Maslow and Hosberg. Among these 3, one theorist come and one theorist come. So what is motivation? Maslow, Hosberg's idea of motivation, the comparative analysis between them, and write something about McGregor and what is moral. 10 point, that this will increase moral. So yes, it is a good question. You can easily write 6 marker. With current example, I have given you COVID-19 situation, add COVID-19 situation. In Maslow's idea, Hobsbawm's idea, we can mention about second ARC, Best Administrator Award, recognition, and moral. Yes, this is very important. To increase morale of employee, we can add second ARC's many recommendation, Mission Karmayogi. Okay, role of JCM. Yes, and believe me, I have repeatedly told that I feel corruption question come and corruption question come. So in special class, in plus class, in elaborate, we have discussed about corruption. From Kautilya's idea, Rajiv Gandhi, modern day corruption, and ways and means to eradicate corruption. So in detail, we have discussed this. This is from Unit 5, and I am confident that everyone has written this question. Corruption, outcome of corruption, mechanism to solve corruption. So from Lokpal and Lokayukt, CBC, CBI, SBC, and Mo Sarkar 5T also we can write. Here second ARC we can mention. So good question, and everyone has written this. Next, again. Delegated legislation, I have told that it come as a 60 mark, but unfortunately it come as a 20 mark. Delegated legislation is an integral part of administrative lawmaking. Yes, we have discussed what is delegated legislation. Example is Ordinance 123/213. Need of here shortly, what is delegated legislation? Example, need of delegated legislation, 5-point advantage, 5-point disadvantage, 5-point and control over delegated legislation. Without explaining, just give point. Parliamentary control, procedural control, judicial control. In 2 page, finish it, definitely you will get good mark. Yes, this question also I have told, administrative adjudication is opposite to separation of power. That means it violate, and when we discuss administrative adjudication, the notion of CAT, SAT and JET and their limitation we have discussed in detail, that it violates the concept of separation of power. How it is? Because administration should implement law, and it is judiciary who interpret law. But what found under administrative adjudication, it is the administration now interpret law, interfering in the work of judiciary. So it result into violation of separation of power, which the constitution want in DPSP. Get it? So this question is from Unit 6. This question is from Unit 6. This question is also Unit 6. So next question, yes, this question is from Unit 7. Ecology of administration is a composite concept. Yes, you have to write about Rick's idea on ecology of administration, how the surrounding of administration has impacted it, has influenced it. That you have to write. How the surrounding ecology of administration influenced it, and the ecology, economy, political, historical and administrative, these are the ecology of administration that influence administration. So ecology of administration is a composite concept. Next, bureaucracy central to development administration. Yes, this question is again from unit 7. Give me 1 second. Okay, I have missed this question. Look at this. State and market should cooperate for the welfare of citizen. This question is one. This is from unit 1. State and market should cooperate for the welfare of citizen. So here you have to write role of state before 1991, new right philosophy, and after 1991, what is the role of state, what is the role of market. Here you write good governance paradigm also, role of public choice approach also. So this is state versus market debate. State versus market debate. So state and market should cooperate for the welfare of citizen. Yes, post 1991 both are cooperating. And state versus market debate, we have discussed that state should involve in those areas where market is absent and let market freely operate in those areas where market can do well. And state come out with rules, regulation, guideline under which market function. Market should not be exploitative. This is the aim of state. So this is D. We have so this question we have discussed. This is a long question. Discuss the reason and process of policy evaluation. Yes. So here the diagram I have told you, draw the diagram, and role of policy evaluation, policy formulation, policy implementation, and policy evaluation. Yes, policy evaluation. What is policy evaluation? Need of policy evaluation. Actor in policy evaluation, official actor, non-official actor. And we have discussed in class parliament, CAG, and all committee, parliament committee, PSC, EC, CPU. Niti, demo, organization of Niti. I have told you in class. Evaluation, non-official actor, civil society, market, NGO, media, citizen, all evaluate public policy. Okay, all evaluate public policy, and the concept of social audit. And yes, to some extent RTI also, people seek RTI to find out that whether a particular policy is effective or not, is implemented in a proper way or not. So everything you have to write, role of evaluation. Okay, and how proper evaluation, only a proper evaluation will result into or give us a brief idea about the success or failure of policy. We will discuss every question in detail in every one single class dedicated to one question. Don't worry, in special class, in YouTube class, we will discuss everything. Yes. Again, this question last year also this was asked. Last year asked as a 20 mark. This year asked as a 60 mark. Many people found problem in writing a 6-page. Everyone know employee-employee relation based on the concept of neutrality anonymity. Yes, neutrality, anonymity. Everyone written this. Everyone written second ARC, fourth report, ethics. Most of us written West Bengal governor's view. I have told current affair, governor view on this neutrality. Here, to extend this, you have to write something about JCM. This is also part of relationship between employee and conflict between employee and employer. So audit is to make administration accountable. You have to in detail role of CAG. CAG work for parliament, different types of audit, different type of audit, CAG types of audit, and yes, limitation. We have discussed many times that in India, CAG is a CAG only a auditor, not a controller. So limitation you have to write limitation of role of CAG. Second ARC, the concept of fiscal council and how through audit the parliament control over executive in financial means, that you have to write. Okay, so questions are very good, conceptual clarity needed. And again in 5 p.m. special class, join this. We will discuss some probable area of paper 2 for exam on 31. Okay, so meet you at 5. Everyone, take care. Thank you.